Hey, don't play with the light switch.
But I just turned it on.
I saw you flicker the light. Replay.
Why are we even recording this?
I don't care if you're being recorded. You cannot play with the light switch. If I catch you one more time, you will be grounded for a whole year.
Dad, why are you so annoying?
That's it. I'm done with your tantrums. You're grounded for a whole month.
Thankfully, you didn't ground me for an entire year. Oh no.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. You're grounded for a whole decade now. I feel like we're forgetting something. Wait. Oh yeah, our grounded son. I'll just leave him grounded.